Hello. Acha. So now we are going to start Photoshop vector masking. Now we have selected the layer. In that layer we have created one background color. So how to change that background color? Suppose we are taking one background color and press Alter backspace, it will change the background color. Now I have to create several shapes. How to create that shapes? Go to the polygon tool option. Using polygon tool we are taking polygon tool and we have created one shape for the menu item. Again we are creating another shape as per our choice for next menu item. So this is the polygon tool, and another tool I have to create like ellipse tool. Another ellipse tool will be there. Those tools already we have created in our layer. This is the background layer. Here I have to save that background layer. Now what we need to do, we have to take one image, say this image, for the background. Now how to drag that? Choose that and drop here. Ctrl T, resize that background. Resize that background. Now the background is already created. Now we have to bring the shape above the background. Using move tool we have to adjust the shapes. Now we have to bring the shape above the background again. Using move tool we have to choose that background. Now we have to bring the image, open, click any image we want. Open, go to download. So in download options there are few images. So I am taking any image. Now we have to bring that image to our layer. Where is the layer? Ultimate layer. Now this we no need, just omit it. Untitled. So here I have to bring the image, this image I have to bring. Just drag that image and drop it. Okay, press Ctrl T, it will resize. We have to adjust the image size as per our need. We have to adjust it. Now just we have to see the image will be just in front of that layer. Now we can see easily how to adjust that image. The image is automatically adjusted. Now what we have to do, again drag that shape on the image. Right click on that, image will be in front. Right click on image, create clipping mask, it will be cut. Press Ctrl T again, drag it. Now it is adjusted. So that is adjusted. Now we have to take another image. This image, the task done, close that image. Again we have to go to open option, file open, then take another image from the desktop. There's the another this image, say this one I am taking. So just have to drag it, drop it over here. Now it will be just in front of that shape. It will be just in front of the shape. Now we need to adjust by using Ctrl plus T. We have to choose Ctrl plus T. We have to adjust it. All the parameter we have to adjust. Now we have to right click on that, click clipping mask. The image is masked. Now we have to take text tool to write down the menu items. Name. Where is the text tools? Here we have to take text tool, any type of text tool, horizontal or vertical. Horizontal text tool we have to take. Now we have to write burger rupees 50. Now we have to press Ctrl T. It will adjust the size. Now how to do this? We have to bring the move tool, just move it. Then another thing we have to change, we have to drag the entire part little bit upwards. So how to do this? Click on the ellipse tool and control that image, both the layer, press Ctrl T. It will be adjusted. Right, everything will be adjusted. Now I have to make it little bit upwards. So by using the move tool, I bring it upwards, press again Ctrl T to change it little bit. Now it is okay. Right, now what we need to do, again we have to take the text and again we have to take the text tool. This one is pasta rupees 150. Press Ctrl T, adjust the size, then drag it using move tool, drag it, pasta 150. Now what we have to do, we have to bring the image little bit upwards. Again we have to adjust that image and that image using Control key, press Control T. I need to change the size, press OK. Then the text I have to move little bit upwards, this text. So not the pasta, I have to change burger little bit upwards. Take the move tool, little bit upwards. Now I have to change the next shape. Press Control key, shape both the layer, move tool, adjust it little bit upwards. Press OK, enter. Now you have to take the text tool, that is our burger, not the burger. We have to change pasta. Move tool, little bit upward. Now it is done. Finally it is done. Now I have to change some colorings. So how to do that colorings? I have to go to Google shape, background colors. Those are the background colorings. I am taking this colorings photo. This. Save image as, go to desktop, click colors. Drag that colors. File, open, then colors, open. This type of file will not be taken. So this file I am downloading. Save image as, not this type of file will be taken. Any color, save image as, yes, this file will be taken. Colors 2. So I am taking colors 2. File, open. Where is colors 2? Colors 2, desktop, colors 2. Now we have to drag it here, drop it, Control T to adjust. Where is the colors? This, Control T to adjust. Where is the colors 2? This layer. Yes, this is. Control T to adjust. Drag it. It is dragging. So where is the colors 2? I have to using move tool, move it. What is this? Delete. What is this? Selected. I am taking this colors to drag it to the pasta here. Control T. Area is empty. Control T. Area is empty. Why it is not taking? Colors 2. Where is colors 2? Now right click on that, create clipping mask. See the pasta color is changing as per the colors. Now I want to change burger. How to change it? Similar like that, bring this on the burger. Now I have to move it. Now where is the burger text? Where is the burger text? Yes, burger. Now burger text, just upward, right click, create clipping mask. See, burger, pasta. Okay, now I have to save that menu card. File, save as, desktop, my menu, and save file as JPEG. Save it. Okay. Now I can see the ultimate menu card. This is the ultimate menu card. This is the ultimate menu card. Okay. So that menu card is being created by Photoshop, clipping mask and vector masking. Thank you. Thanks for watching.